Welcome to ZD Studio Lab. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you 3 easy ways to crop an image in Canva so you can get the perfect frame every single time. First, let's bring our image onto the canvas and select it to bring up our editing options. Method number 1. The toolbar and aspect ratios. Click on the crop icon showing right up here on the top toolbar. Once the crop menu opens, you can use the freeform crop tool or easily adjust your image to popular aspect ratios like 1:1, 16:9 or 4:5 depending on what your design needs. Method number 2. Direct canvas cropping. Direct canvas cropping is by simply cropping directly on the canvas. Just grab any of these side handles or corner cropping bars and drag them inward to instantly mask and crop your image on the fly. And finally, method number 3. The double click shortcut. The fastest shortcut is just double clicking directly on your image. This instantly opens up the crop handles and lets you reposition or scale your photo effortlessly inside the frame. And that's it. 3 simple ways to master cropping in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe ZD Studio Lab for more premium design tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.